Question like this is a bonus mark in exam mock. So follow me, let's do it together. Find the topic is angles in a triangle. So we have to find the marked angles. So we have three letters here. So we need to find those three letters. We have A, B, C. So we must find A, we must find B, and we must find C. Now, first thing is we have this given angle, which is 304. So this given angle is a reflex angle because a reflex angle is angle that is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So I will be solving these things step by step. I will not rush it. Now to now get the angle that is A, which is A, once I get the value of A, I will get B and C. Now to now get the value of A that is A, remember that this is complete rotation, which is circle. So when we have something like this, we are talking about angles at a point. So remember that sum of angles at a point give us 360 degree. So this 304 degree and this A, when we add the two of them together, we're going to get 360 degree because it forms a circle. That's how you recognize it in the example. So 304 degree now. 304 degree plus this A give us 360 degree. As you can see, is form a circle. Now the reason for this one is sum of angles at a point. Now after that, remember we cannot add A and 304 degree together. So we have to send 304 degree to the other side. So we have A is equal to 360 degree minus 304 degree. So when plus 304 degree cross opposite side, turn to minus 304 degree. So in that case now we have A is equal to, when we subtract 304 degree from 360 degree, we are going to have 56 degree. So the value of A is 56 degree. Now if A is 56 degree, to now get B and C, you must know this type of triangle. Whenever we have this side and this side, it means that this adjacent side and this side and this side, they are equal. And whenever we have two adjacent sides equal, that means we have isosceles triangle. Now remember that base angles of an isosceles triangle, they are also equal. So which means B and this C, they are equal. B and C, they are equal. So if B is 40 degree, that means C must be 40 degree because we are dealing with isosceles triangle. Why? This is the sign that you will see. So after that now, remember our A is 56 degrees. So let's now use a letter to replace both B and C for them to be equal. So now say let B and C. Let B and C be X. Now if B and C is X, that means this one will be X, this one will be X, this one will now be 56. This one is already 56. Now remember that we have three angles, and the sum of interior angle of a triangle must be equal to what? 180 degree. We now start adding now. A is 56 degree, so 56 degree plus this B is X now, and this C is what? This C is X plus X is equal to what? 180 degree. 180 degree. So in that case, 56 will go to the right hand side. We cannot add it with X, but X plus X give us what? Give us 2X. So let me use this space now. 2X is equal to 180 degree minus 56 degree. So we are going to subtract 56 degree from 180 degree now. So we have 2X now is equal to now 180 degree minus 56 degree. This one is 10, that is 4 here. We have 7 here. 7 minus 5, that gives us 2. Then we have 124 degree. So 56 degree, when we subtract 56 degree from 180, I'm going to have 124 degree. Remember, we use X to represent B and C. That means we are looking for the value of X. And the number beside that X is what? Is 2. So divide both sides by 2 now. So that will give us 2X over 2 is equal to 124 degree over 2. So the value of X will now give us X is equal to 2 goes in 12, that will give us 6. 2 goes in 4, that will give us 2. So that means our X is 62 degree. Remember that we use X to represent B and C. So if X is 62 degree, now that means B is equal to 62 degree and C is equal to 62 degree. So B is 62 degree, C is 62 degree, and A is 56 degree. So this is our answer, and this is our answer. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Mathematics is sweet, there's sugar everywhere. Bye for now.